Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do this beautiful watercolor birds, and for that I'm going to use my regular sketchbook. It is 160 GSM thickness, but if you're a beginner I would recommend 300 GSM watercolor paper. I have taped the edges of the sheet and I'm using my watercolors. You can use any that you have. So I have my water. For the brushes, I've kept three, but I might use just one. So the first is a mop brush number 1, the second is mop brush number 3, and then I have a round brush 0 number. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use, but I've kept some black pens with different thickness. So let's begin and start drawing. You can see the drawing of the bird. It is very basic. You just have to make a slanting line and then finish it with a curved semicircle. So just like that, I'm going to draw 3 birds, and for the tail of the bird I'm just using some curves just to show the feathers of the birds with the curved lines. So it's a quirky bird, so it's not realistic, it's a cartoonish bird. So we are just having fun with the watercolors. So you do not need to be perfect, just enjoy, relax your mind, and just see the drawing what I'm doing. And I'm going to add some flowers as well. You can do any type of composition that you want to create. It's your creativity. The drawing is almost done, and now let's begin with the fun part, which is coloring and painting. I'm using number 1 mop brush. For the background I thought of using a flat blue color first of all, and then I'm going to add different effect with a different indigo blue. I will add that shade in few spaces, so as the background also looks very vibrant. Somewhere it shows different shades of blue. So that is what I want to create, and that is what I have in my mind. And at first, if you see this kind of painting, the background, it might seem too much intricate, but believe me, it is one of the best stress relievers for you. So you will be having a very relaxed mind while you do this, believe me on that. So while I do that, just watch me through. I'm going to add a different shade of blue also to give some different effect, so please keep on watching. It's time to paint the flowers now, and the technique that I'm going to use for the flowers is just to dampen the paper where I want to paint the flowers with water first, and then slowly I would add the color so that it gives a very washed and slightly light and slightly dark effect at some places. So you will see it how it gives a beautiful bleeded effect. That is what I was looking for, but I will show you if you do a flat coloring in this, then also it is fine. It is according to your preference what you want to do. I'm painting the leaves here, and for that I'm just using a very light green because the background is dark. And please do not worry about the bleeding of the color to the blue background. It doesn't matter, and we are going to smoothen the edges of the bleeded colors after everything is dried out, so do not worry about that. Let's move on to the birds. So it is a fun part. I'm going to use a very beautiful magenta color for this bird, and I've used the same technique. I've dampened the paper first of all, and then I'm adding the pigment, so it will give very washed out effect. And I'm going to use the same technique for the other birds as well. Here I'm just using water to smoothen the edges of all the bleeded colors so that it looks little melted in, and everything is dried now. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some details to the feather of the birds, like the wings, and you can do any kind of doodling. I'm using the concentrated same magenta color to do the details. You can use any color, whatever you wish like. The final part of this painting is giving it a doodled effect, so for which I'm going to use this black pen. The thickness of this pen is 1 mm, so it is quite thick compared to any regular pen that you use. It's completely your wish. And further, I'm also going to use even more thicker black sketch pen to do the birds. So it totally depends what materials you have and what you wish like. So I'm just using a thinner pen at the background just to, because it's a background and the main element in this painting is the bird, so I'm going to use a thicker sketch pen for them. You can add as much details as you want. I'm just putting some lines to the leaves. I will add some stamen to the flowers as well. So it's completely up to you how you're feeling, what details you want to add. You can use even white pen to give some details on the painting. So please get creative and relax your mind. It is a very colorful and stress-free painting, and you will totally enjoy doing it. Use your own colors, use your own patterns. You will completely get relaxed. And if you like today's video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me and motivate me to make more such videos like this. And till then, take care. Bye bye. I will see you guys in my next video.